My favorite scholars memory was 703 in science class with Mr. Mistretta.
My favorite memory was just 703 in general.
Our favorite memory is the 8th grade prom.
My favorite Scholars Academy memory was 11th grade Spirit Week.
My favorite Scholars experience was actually in 2021-2022 school year when me, Miss Newman, Miss Naselli, and Miss Armenta, we would sit in the teacher's lounge and we just spend time together and kind of get to know each other. And that was honestly my favorite moment, that time together.
My favorite Scholars memory has to be the boardwalkathon because I've been doing it since I came here in 6th grade. And it's a nice tradition to have as I always have fun with my friends.
My experience has primarily been filled with joy, and it's just been a very remarkable experience, especially with the very tight-knit community that Scholars Academy has, because we played volleyball and we had these snacks, and it's just so well organized.
My favorite school memory at Scholars is a lot of the multicultural performances and the boardwalkathon.
Our favorite Scholars memory, mine was performing in Finding Nemo Junior with Miss M and Miss Caustic.
Yeah, mine was the same thing.
Yeah, I think the same thing.
It was so fun and we loved it.
Hi, camera. Our favorite Scholars memory is bus rides to Trip.
And singing on the bus.
And Mr. Connolly. We love Mr. Connolly's class, and 8th grade is really fun.
Yeah.
My favorite Scholars memory was 7th grade, and probably just all 7th grade, field day, 7th grade boardwalkathon. 7th grade was just such a good year.
My favorite experience was 6th grade. I met a lot of new people in 6th grade, and it was really fun. We did a lot of fun activities.
So our favorite memories of Scholars, mine is probably making the cheer team and making amazing friends.
Mine is 6th grade and all the people I met last year. My favorite experience at Scholars was multicultural night.
My favorite memory is being in 704.
Yeah, so we love Scholars.
Meeting this kid, he's been helping me throughout the school year, He's been a very good friend to me throughout the whole year. I'm just very grateful for him. This is him right here.
My favorite Scholars memory is probably the winter dance.
It really leaves a mark and, creates imperishable memories.